Hello everyone, my name is JEEVESH and I am from first year CSD branch. My startup company name is IDFC and product present name is Pencil and product proposed name is IntelliGraphite Pencil. Empathizing states mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. It has ability to check spelling mistakes, can change the mode of handwriting. The user can change the size and color. It has a prompt tool, can set time duration. Defense stage. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Ideal stage. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Self-refilling, it automatically refills the lead or graphite. Enhanced erasing, can erase more effectively and cleanly. Real-time translation, it has capability to translate written text into different languages. Here is the prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is shown below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.